Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 16 York Street, an extremely rare building lot in the quaint village of Honeoye Falls. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Enjoy a peaceful and quiet wooded setting on a quarter of an acre with easy access to Honeoye Creek and sidewalks to the village. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Men Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 16 York Street in the village of Honeoye Falls, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!